Also, the ECB mentioned during the announcement of the government subsidy in July 2024 that the tariff for 24-25 financial year period would remain unchanged to ensure affordability of electricity. I wish to confirm that this government directive was indeed implemented without hindrance by all our licensees. During the same announcement, ECB indicated that it would engage licensees on the modalities for recovering their approved revenue requirements for the year 24-25 period. Since government avoided the 365 million as mentioned, of which approximately $251 million would go to our power supplier, that is NamPower, to ensure uninterrupted security of electricity supply.